Hey, check this out. Have you wanted to get started in real estate investing, but you really haven't known where to start?
Hell yeah!
Well, take a look at this picture and take a look at this picture. Notice a difference? Not much difference, right?
Nope.
Not a junky house, not a house that needs a whole lot of rehab, but most importantly, take a look at this. That's a $150,000 profit on one house.
Oh, snaps!
That I didn't have to touch, that I didn't have to rehab,
Sign
that I
me
didn't
up.
even have to ever set foot in.
This guy must be doing something way different from what I'm doing because it ain't never that easy. I'm sorry, but this ain't nothing but that old get-rich-quick scheme. If you guys truly want to be in real estate, you don't have to buy a course. You don't have to be sold on some BS. All you really need to do is find a mentor that will take you under his wing and show you all the ins and outs of flipping real estate. And there are great videos right here on YouTube that you can watch for free about flipping real estate.